Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add a caption to an image and also how to apply a filter. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is add a caption. And a caption is a piece of information about an image that would use, you've seen this before in news articles. You simply select the picture, right click and enter insert caption. Now I can enter my caption here, the name that I want to put in, or I can change the label. So I've got label here, I can call it table, picture, figure, equation. I'm just going to call it picture. I can click up to where it says caption, and I'm just going to put in my name, which is going to be test caption. I click OK, and there it is. You can see that it's added a description to the picture. So quite often in news articles this might be a source of information for where they got the picture from. Right, secondly, I'm going to select the picture again. I'm going to go to picture format up the top, and this is where I'm going to add some effects or filters. So here I can go to my picture effects button, I can select that, and all of these selections here are filters that I can apply. So I could go 3D rotation and go parallel like that if I wanted. I could add a bevel edge to the picture if I wanted. I could add some soft edges like that if I wanted. I'm going to apply that one. Okay, so now you can see that I've applied a filter to the photograph and I've added a caption, and this can be some quite interesting effects to do in your document creation.